Okay, so this video is about how to access the work on Hwb. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to type into a search engine, arius.co.uk. When I do that, I can see some options for the Arius website, and I'm going to go to Work Zone because Work Zone is where the information of how to access our work is. So I'm looking for Year 7 work, so I know Year 7 is in Key Stage 3. If you're unsure about this, you can scroll down and see which year groups are in which key stages. There's also information here for learner and parents and information on what the teachers are doing at the moment. So please take a look at that if you get some time. So I'm going to click on Key Stage 3 and I'm going to click on Year 7. And I'm going to have a look at what's going on in English. So let me have a look at the work that I should be doing in English. So it says here you'll need your Hwb login details to access this work. So I need to make sure I've got that to the side. And it gives me a link to my Hwb class. So I can see from May the 4th, I need to be doing this work here. And all the instructions are on my Hwb class. So I'm just going to click here to take me into my Hwb class. Now, because I haven't logged on today yet, when I get into Hwb, I do need to log in. So I'm going to click Login. And it says you don't have access to this. And the reason for this is I need a Hwb password to access the Hwb work. So you can see at the minute, I'm currently signed in through an Arius account. So I need to sign out from that account and I need to sign in with my Hwb account. So I'm now here, I've got options for how I'm going to sign in. If I don't have these options because I haven't signed in before, then you just click on use another account here and you put your Hwb account in. So I'm going to go with Thomas's Hwb Cymru.net account. I click on there and I need to enter the password. I've entered Tom's Hwb password, not the Arius password. It is important to distinguish between the two. So I've got the Hwb password going in and I'm signing in. Now remembering I was clicking on the Year 7 Hwb account, so I can see I've got Year 7 English. It talks to me about the work that I've got to access, so I can have a read about this, look at when the deadlines are, and I can access the works by clicking on Files, and clicking into the folders there and following the instructions. Once I've signed into Hwb, like I have now, then I've got a couple of options. I can go back onto Work Zone and find out the information from there. So I might want to do that by clicking a new tab, doing the same, arius.co.uk. Oh, I forgot to click on Work Zone. I can scroll down to click on Work Zone. Back to Key Stage 3. Back to Year 7. And then I might want to have a look at what's going on in Project 4, for example. So here's the Hwb link, so I can read. It's only learners 7.0, 7N, 7W and 7A who should be on this. I can read the information of the work that I'm meant to be doing. I can click straight into the class. Now this time, because I'm already signed in, I don't need to do it again. It takes me straight to the group. And I've got straight onto files on this time. So there's files there. If I'm not sure what I'm doing, I can click on overview for some instructions of what I need to do and click back onto files to get the resources. A quicker way of that, once you've got your way around Hwb, is instead of going back through Work Zone, you can do View All Classes. And we can see here that Hwb Project 7 is here for Tom. So we can click straight on Hwb Blwyddyn Saith. And again, we've got the overview, the information of what to do, and to click on the Files tasks for the resources. So that's how you access your work on Hwb.